So we just got done talking for a minute about water intrusion after periods of heavy rain. It's not raining outside today, and look, there's water inside this crawl space. How is that happening? Well, this particular time of the year, in the summertime, it's hot outside and it's cold in here. Hot and cold air collide, it causes condensation. If we look up here real quick, this is the source of the water. It's actually coming from the HVAC ductwork. It's literally raining off of the ductwork into this crawl space. And that's because of the air exchange. We'll talk more here in a minute specifically about the science of air exchange, but that's one of the first things we notice. We see this, people say, oh, there's standing water inside of my crawl space. Is this caused by a plumbing leak? What's causing this? This time of the year, you can literally have this much water standing on top of the plastic because of the condensation. All of this just coming from the HVAC ductwork inside the crawl space. And it gets even worse in other areas, but that's what's causing that water to stand on top of the plastic today.